And on the mix today, we have Dwayne. And as usual, Dwayne, a chat, a bag of things. So here we have Dwayne and this lady. She's going after the landlord, Erica. And Dwayne is chiming in as well and saying what he has to say about the situation. They're saying that basically she's trying to chime in to defend Miss D because, it's a way of her getting more supporters on her side, people watching her channel and, whatever it is. But there, she is trying to stop that. She said that whenever she goes live, she is going to go live as well to ensure that this doesn't happen. So she's saying that basically it's a scam. So go ahead and catch the video and remember to like, share, comment and subscribe to the channel. And as always, lovelies, you know what to do. Comment down below and tell me what you think about this video, what you think about Porty, what you think about Dwayne in this situation, and the lady that is speaking up her mind about Porty. Go and tell it down there in the comment section. I'll be reading. Have a great one.
You chose to come on the internet every day with your lying tongue, lying to sell things. To beg people their money. You're too beggy. For 2024, we need the beggy people them off of Facebook. Cause them a class problem. The wicked, the hungry, and the fucking beggy. Come off of social media so we can have a prosperous New Year's.
It's New Year.
You're not getting the treat money. Maybe run campaign for your backside. Every time you turn on your life to scam people, I am going to turn on my life so you don't scam the people then. You dirty scammer, you know, from when you scam me there for you. I tell you, I'm here a bully. But you want bully TT? Imagine TT name a bother you. All of a sudden now. You take up Tina Trinidad upon your head. So you defend people pitney and you cuss my pitney. No, leave here I know. Leave children out of it.
And try pause, and even use my little 10-year-old cousin, against me to cuss me out. Porty. Are you all there? You're there? Your head good? Don't you remember using my little 10-year-old cousin Corey? You remember that little kid? That little kid in Jamaica, the one I was driving up and down in Jamaica. I bring him everywhere. I bring him go with me. I bring him go beach, bring him go river. I know me, I go food anywhere I go. I bring them with me. Do you remember that little kid? Erica, you remember him? That little 10-year-old boy, Corey. You remember him? That you cuss me day in, day out, saying I'm trying to molest. Do you remember him, Porty? Remember that little 10-year-old boy? Do you remember that little boy? I even had to call police on you in Jamaica, send my cousin to the police. You remember that little kid? So how come all of a sudden you've turned it into here come to defend the children of social media? Go and sit your ass down. Go and sit your ass down. I'm gonna argue with them. I'm not gonna argue with you. I will not. I just wanted to remind you of who you are. The toxic virago that you really are. You remember? That person, I'm trying to remind you who you are. Yeah. When the lucky one come off and I come off, right? This is my page. I'm gonna do what I want to do. Understand? Yeah. And don't listen. More and get dark. I mean, that's more and get dark on social media again. I just want to get dark because I feel like some of you are just like, feel like say I've turned into soft soap. I will diss you. Understand? Know yourself. Know yourselves. I'm the wrong one.
Out of it. Why should they hurt children? Leave picking name out of your ass mouth.
Well said.
What about when you did a cuss my daughter and my innocent daughter did nothing to you? Do you guys remember that? Do you guys remember when Landlawd cursed out TT? My innocent TT? Please don't forget that.
Don't forget.
Do you guys remember? Do you guys remember all the other children that she cursed out on social media? Exactly. How children have she cursed out?
A whole lot.
Eh? How much people have she fucked with on social media? She cannot defend anybody. She don't have any goodness in her. She's a bad person.
A wicked
Erica,
one.
the landlord, is a very bad person. She's very evil. She is a demon. Exactly. Exactly. TT don't even come in that camera and she cuss out TT like drunk her. And you think say you don't come on live and get away with scamming people? I'm doing this for TT. Justice for fucking TT. Justice to me baby girl. You're not scam people. No scamming. Comment in the comment section. No scamming. Uno people at Jamaica to stop come on the internet and scam people. It's Christmas time now. It's winter time. The people them work hard for their money. Uno know what it is for shovel snow. Uno know what it is when people have to wake up early in the morning and I go and work in the snow.
Facts.
And uno want come on social media come scam people, move on a dirty blood clot. Stop use the woman sick picnic for feed your hungry belly. But now you want to be advocate for Tina Chin daughter. Eh? Tina Chin don't like you. Tina Chin don't like you. And you leave the blood clot woman picnic alone.
Now, but pausing. I have a question, Porty. How on earth you want to become Tina Chin's daughter's defender when if you scroll your page on YouTube, the amount of video have T-Dog, T-This. Lady, is your brain there? Are you thinking your brain there? You lose some screws? What's happened? How come you want to defend someone's child who you hate? You hate the ground that person walk on. Make that shit make sense. Does that make sense, Tono? How is someone going to defend someone's... Like, how am I going to defend any of your child if I hate you? That don't make no sense. Porty has a motive. Porty has a motive. An ulterior motive. She wants social media to think, oh, that's so nice. I'm telling you. And I look, listen, I want to study that woman. Study her. She's a demon. Big demon. Respectfully. Now to give up. Porty, go and cuss me. Because, darling, it's going to go right over my head. Whoosh. Right over my head. Go cuss Leisha. Go cuss Leisha.
After you done cuss off a woman, no, I want to care for your daughter. You know, see, so now wicked for social media.
Well,
oh, you care for people, pick me, all you do is tear them down.
Truly.
Every day you get up, you're there, and Tina Chin. Name.
I'm going to score that page now and show them.
I know, yeah, defend our daughter. You're bipolar or what? You're sick in your fucking head or what?
Very much.
You're sick in your head, lady. It's the drugs, I tell you. You guys, it's the drugs. Stay away from drugs.
Stay away from drugs, indeed.
I'm telling you, after she smoke her bad weed and come on social media, she don't remember the stuff that she do.
Facts.
No more scamming.
Watch ya. No look ya.
You steal out, Landlawd. Landlawd, you steal. Sorry to break it to you. Your time done. Your time expire. You're not getting nobody money. You're not getting no more. From when you beg homeless money and now you can't put on a pot for the homeless. If you're such a good person and you care so much for the homeless, why won't you use your YouTube money to do it?
Well,
Why
look,
people? You know what I don't understand about the people them on social media? Why, if you guys are gonna help people, right? Why only need other people money to help people? Why you can't use your own money? It no cost no money to put on one pot of curry chicken back. Spend $1,000 and buy how much pound of chicken back or $1,500.
Watch ya. T-girl, this
$1,500 can buy how much pound of chicken back and you chop that up and curry it. With a pot of rice, a pot of white rice. With little vegetable on the side. You don't need to beg people money to do that.
Truly, sure.
The homeless people, them they tell us that they want treat. What kind of treat homeless people want? Your name Andrew Homeless? Your government? You're fucking poor, your fucking self. Poor people can't help other people. You need to help yourself.
Leisha, let me tell you something, girl. If you talk, the amount of money that they want to collect, right? In Canberra, but I swear to God, in Canberra. Because let me tell you, he used to use Rhea, MoneyGram, Western Union, you name it, JN, you name it. I dress up the people them from New York. I send the money go give him. I'm telling you, think I joke. In Kalika, enough of the money in take. I'm gonna put in a bank account. It must save. She has saved it for when the one from over there so and Canada come back and in one son come back on a time there on a time there. Yes, me not gonna say the people not get a look about title or 2 or 3 or whatever. But most of that money on the rares or it's a change hairstyle. One minute in a red, next minute in a green, next minute in a purple. Every time, be a new hairdo, be a new this. I feel like she was trying to keep up to the gown. But darling, me not tell you no that it just wasn't clicking because you don't cute, you're not cute, and you don't you look cranny, you look I wanna go so. Lord Jesus Christ. Hey people, tell you something. The woman that take on the money, go buy car, go buy pro box, and say they pick in them buy pro box. Lie! They pick them don't like car. Them not like them can't stand the gung walk pan. So oh pick me when I like go buy you car. I want the money in take come go buy car. Me have the video on my phone for much years now. Cause you know what she done? When she realized we're catching up to her, she go back on her old page and delete and take off the whole of the video off her page. Only go look for herself. Nothing on the span that backside. Nothing. And black out that backside. Listen. That one there is a smart thief. In smart. Me not in smart. In smart. I think I joke. Go back to your Alicia, girl. Go back to it, girl.
All the fuck you fi broke and want help people. You need to help yourself by go looking at work.
Right.
Go find something do.
Go back at the yard, go sell. Go back at the sell back at the dead yard.
You cannot help people before you help yourself.
Listen, Porty used to sell at dead yard. Let me give you guys a backstory of who that woman is. Before COVID, she used to sell at dead yards, right? And then Dana go start the charity. And she said Dana go I get a killing first. Dana go is making Dana guy's getting a lot of people support on social media. A lot of us were supporting Dana go. Porty saying, what you not say? What you not say? Okay. I try to say charity money. Alright. Charity we're going to charity too. And Porty never go back at the yard from 2019 till some point last year. When the planks them start giving me money. A charity put thing, the charity come. Backside, me say, I can't, me don't want to talk something, you know why? Because me don't want to bring up old wounds. Me don't want to bring up old stories, right? Because it gone already, and what's happened already, it's not like it can be changed or reversed. So what is the point bringing up old stories? But me I telling her, she's smart. She's smart, bad too. And it's smart with her New York, whether they collect the money, so you Miss Lady, you figure out workhouse. You figure out workhouse. I don't care. You figure out workhouse because you was endorsing the bullshit. You don't want a New York. You was doing a whole lot. And you damn well know what was happening, and you didn't say, I'm done. That's the part I would never understand about you people in foreign who was collecting the money for this woman so she can thief the people them and make the poor people them at Jamaica benefit one like a tops out it, and she's getting the most part. Move with that. Alicia, talk again. Me don't talk. Talk, Alicia. Oh, I'm Porty. I know you're gonna go and cuss, but darling, I don't care. Cause guess what? Yes, you have your pom pom peak, but darling, I am set. I am set to where I call it something there, like inherit. I'm gonna inherit a whole lot of stuff. Don't worry about that. Right now, my broke hungry and paraphrase, but one day to come in the near future, I pray to God it don't come for now. I'm set to inherit a good amount, and I will not be broke again. I'm never hungry, I'm never paraphrase. At least I know I didn't come out here and rob the people them blind for line my pocket like how you did. Oh, when I cost, remember say I live in the 5th richest country in the world. And also, me well and my family them, my mama, Maureen, who you got cost to, you got cost for your life, she loves me with all of her heart and soul. My papa love me. Batman Anna, them love me, girl. Them love me going to bed. What about you and yours? Them love you, girl? Let's go back to Leisha.
What you say over YouTube? What I can't understand was the same one bring down a lot of people, kids, to the ground. She don't remember she's a witch. She don't remember Kimberly. She don't remember.
You know why? You know why she don't remember? Because she has selective memory. She remembers what she want to remember and forgets what she want to forget. That is how she operates. I swear to God, those are the perfect signs of someone who takes a lot of hard drugs. Yeah, in take drugs. You know, enough of them not in the pan drugs. I don't compare and go so. Push out here and say blouse and skirt. Then again, birds of a feather flock together. And Mephisah, our people them, the one of them take drugs too. Then take drugs. Now take it back. Go cost me now, go cost me. Make something go cost me.
She don't remember.
Go cost me, girl. Go cost me.
Why you think I'm going so hard? Me even them on my business page. You guys know I don't do this shit on Glitz and Glam page.
What?
That's why I'm going hard. You don't remember the shit that you do. Why do you guys need? And them want foreign people money. Why only need foreign?